In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to Coinbase. To do this, just go and open up crypto.com, and you will need to first own some Bitcoin in order to do this. If you do, just click accounts in the bottom, and here go to your crypto wallet, and then just go and click on Bitcoin. Now here click on transfer, and then select withdraw. From here select an external wallet. And now if you haven't added your wallet address yet, just click plus in the top right. And then here select a wallet address. Now here for the network, just make sure it's set to BTC and open up Coinbase. Then on Coinbase also click on transfer, and now here just click on receive crypto. Now for the currency you want to also select Bitcoin, and then for the network also select Bitcoin right here, since on crypto.com we selected BTC. Now here you have your address, so simply go and copy it and go back to crypto.com. And then paste in the wallet address in this section right here. Then further down you can enter who the owner is, so the recipient's first and last name, country, etc. Then in the wallet type section you can just click on select wallet type and then select Coinbase from here, then click done. Now you can give the wallet a name, so you can just call it Coinbase BTC. Now if it is your wallet, they can simply tick this box that says I am the owner of this wallet address, and then it will enter your details. Then here enter your passcode to confirm that you want to add this wallet address. And then after you enter it, you will find it right here. Now just click withdraw on that wallet address. And then it will ask, do you trust this wallet address? I will say confirm. Then here just choose how much Bitcoin you want to transfer. You can also click max right here, and then it will select off the Bitcoin you have. And then click withdraw, and then if you have the minimum amount, then it will be on its way to your Coinbase wallet. So now you know how to transfer Bitcoin from crypto.com to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.